కరెక్ట్గా స్టెప్ వచ్చే టైం మ్యూజిక్ మధ్య చేసేస్తారు.
They know when to kill it. They know
Hi,
when
Pooja.
to kill it.
Hello.
The trailer is చాలు ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు, అయిపోయింది, పోయింది మూమెంట్. The trailer is looking fabulous.
Thank you.
You are looking fabulous.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
I just have one doubt, उसमें कौन सा शॉट VFX है, कौन सा एक्चुअली आउटडोर शूट है?
That's a secret that I won't tell. But we can play that game later once we finish the event.
Actually, can I quickly play a game?
Yes.
I'll test your pan-India skills. I'll give you a line. You have to say the same line in different languages.
Oh God.
Okay? It's a
Listen,
pan-India
I've
movie.
shot this film in 2 languages now.
चलो
Again,
कौन
you're
से
testing
लैंग्वेज
me.
में, कौन से लैंग्वेज में शूट किया?
Hindi and Telugu.
Okay, I'll tell you a line in Hindi.
Okay.
తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి.
Okay.
Okay? मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ.
నేను మీకు యూ హ్యావ్ టు హెల్ప్ మీ
Yeah.
ఇష్టపడుతున్నాను.
నేను కూడా. Thank you so much. You want to
Chance
address
पे
your
dance.
fans?
Very cliche, yeah.
You wanna address your fans?
Everyone does that.
Thank you. ये सब क्लीशे चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? I'm really happy today and very overwhelmed to be here. This film has taken, it's been very long in the making. It's been 4 years and we have given as a team our blood, our sweat and tears to make this. I hope you guys enjoy the film. I hope you'll love it. I would just like to keep it short and sweet and first of all our producers, our passionate producers, thank you for bringing the big budgets and making sure that this fantasy world that we created was something that could be done and you all made it happen, so thank you so much for that. My director Radha sir, I don't think I've seen someone who's been this passionate, because to stick with a story for 5 years and give it your best, give it your all, constantly be thinking about the project. So many times when you shoot, then you kind of lose the passion sometimes, and to maintain that, I mean, I shot so many films in the middle and I would come back and I would see that you're still excited and your passion is what inspired me. I have to tell the fans that there are very few films in that I have heard a narration of and immediately said yes. And Radhe Shyam was just such a beautiful love story, and the way you wrote it, sir, the ideas, oka chinna moments undi film lo which andulo inta magic undi, and I think when you all watch it in the on screen, you all are going to love it. You all are going to be very entertained with all the little montages that he's thought of, so it's going to be a treat to watch. It's a fairy tale world that we have created with real emotions, and I hope meeku nachutundi. Also, I think one of our biggest strengths in this film is Manoj sir, our cinematographer. The visuals of this film, I mean, you've seen the visuals. It's stunning, it's fabulous, it's something very new, very unique. Like he said, there's flirtationship and ships in the film. So I think, Manoj sir, thank you so much. Naku inta, I would say, thank you for making me look so beautiful also. It's been an absolute pleasure working with you. All our, am I forgetting someone? I always get worried. Our entire cast and crew who's sitting over there, it's been a pleasure working with you all. It's become like a family, I would say, because we would come back, shoot our films, come back, meet each other and discuss other films. So it's been great to shoot. Prabhas, one thing I can assure the darling fans, and I think it's amazing, that after doing Bahubali, after doing so many action films, to be able to select a film like this, he's really trying to give his fans something new to watch every day. And I hope that y'all enjoy this film because it is very different. And ee film lo meeko kotta Pooja and kotta Prabhas, you'll see a new Chustaru. You will see a new Pooja and a new Prabhas for sure because it's just a beautiful film. I hope you like it. It's coming on Sankranti. Sankranti was very, very lucky for me. So I hope that it happens again this time. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pooja. Thank you so much. Thank you.